If you are not making mistakes, then you are not doing anything. So let's get started with this quote. Today I am going to tell you a hacker earth problem, the May 21 circuit challenge, which is started yesterday at 9:30 p.m. My name is Aman Tripathi. So this is that problem. The natural XOR elements. You are given an integer n to solve the problem. You must find the minimum number of elements that must be removed from the S, which is a set from 1 to n, such that the bitwise XOR of the remaining element is 0. In the input format, you will give when the first line contains an integer t representing the number of test cases, and the first and the only line of each test case contains an integer n from 1 to 10 to the power 9 representing the number presented to you. You can read this. I'll read the explanation for you. After removing 1, there will be no elements left. Therefore, XOR of the remaining elements become 0 if the input is 1. So you might feel this problem is little bit difficult, but it's not. There is a simple pattern. For example, if you will input 1, then see what are you getting is, then you will get 1 element which you have to remove. If you are entering 2, then you have to remove 2 elements, 2 comma 2 and 1. So for 1 you have to print 1, for 2 you have to print 2 and 1, for 3 you have to print 0, you have to print nothing. You have to also print the number of elements which we are printing. So this is the format. For 4 you have to give 4. After that, if you will try to write the further series, then you will find that for writing 5, again the answer will be same 1 and 1. For 6, the answer will be 2, 6 and 1. For 7, the answer will be 0. For 8, the answer will be 1, 8. So you can see the series is very similar. After that also you can try one more step. For 9 you will get again 1, 1. For 10 you will get 2, 10, 1. So I think what you have to see is, after every 4 elements the series is repeating, and if I write here n, then the series is very same. So now you can see that the series is bit same after every 4 elements. So I think now you should get with the code. We will input the number of test cases from here. Then you have to check with the modulus of 4. If the remainder comes 1, then you have to print 1. Simple. Here also the modulus will become 1, and modulus 4 will equal to 1. The same will be here. The same thing you will get here. For second you will get n modulus 4 equals 2. Then you have to print what? Then you have to print 2, n and 1. 2, n and 1. So you have to print 2, n and 1. This is the format. formatted printing. For modulus 3 you have to print 0, and for modulus 4 you have to print 1 and n. 1 and n. So it's a simple code. You can just type this here in the HackerEarth IDE, and I have already submitted the problem successfully, so I'm not going to submit this. I can run this for you if you want. Let's make it small. See, the same outputs is visible to you. For 1 it's printing 1 1, for 2 it's printing 2 2 1, for 3 it's printing 0, for 4 it's printing 1 4. I hope you have successfully understand this code. So thank you friends, have a good day, bye.